What is up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. If you've been here before, you may be asking yourself, why is she sitting on her bed? She never sits on her bed to do a video. I want it to be comfortable, and yeah, there's that. I have a huge haul for you guys today. I purchased quite a few things from Grove Collaborative, and they were also very kind enough to send me some stuff as well. So that's what I'm going to be sharing with you guys in this video. I'm going to go ahead and pull this huge box onto the bed, and we're going to get right on into it. Okay. So for those of you who do not know what Grove Collaborative is, they are an online retailer that features all natural, personal, home, and beauty products. I love them, and they always hook you up with your first order, and they give you a bunch of stuff for free. I will insert a picture right here of what you can get for free if you were to sign up today. If you are interested, there will be a link down in the description box below. Make sure you check it out. Let's go ahead and jump right on into this haul, because as you guys can tell, we got a lot of stuff. So the first thing that I have is this Bon Ami powder cleanser. It is for your kitchen, cookware, or bath. It's just a powder cleanser. I have been looking for something like this to clean the inside of the stove, to clean the sink, and to clean bathtubs with. I heard that it's really, really good, and I want to say that it was less than $2. It was very inexpensive, and you do get a lot of product in this can. Grove also has their own line of products that you can purchase from, and this is their kids foaming hand soap concentrate in the pineapple scent. My kids' hand soap dispenser in their bathroom is automatically a foaming pump, so I was happy that they had the foaming concentrate on their website. This smells so good. It smells very fresh. My kids are going to love that. I didn't see that there were any other scents to choose from, so I want to say that you could only get the pineapple scent for the kids' hand soap refill, but maybe they'll come out with other scents eventually. The next thing that I purchased was a hand soap refill for our bathroom, and this is in the scent Autumn Fig. I heard a lot of good things about this scent, so I hope that I like it. This is not my favorite, and I don't even know how to describe this scent. It's kind of woodsy. I don't really know what a fig smells like, so I don't even know if it smells like an actual fig, because I have no idea. But I mean, maybe it'll smell different like as you're washing your hands. This is also by the Grove Collaborative brand. So the next thing that I purchased is this Mrs. Meyer's hand lotion, and it does have shea butter and almond oil, and I picked up the scent Plum Berry. I've never tried this scent before. Oh my god, it smells so good. It kind of has a little bit of like amber scent to it. It's not overly berry. It doesn't smell like fruit right off the bat. It has a really nice soft smell. So the next thing that I picked up were these walnut and cellulose sponges. These are the best sponges I have ever used. They're very inexpensive. They are so worth it. They're soft. They scrub really well. They're not overly abrasive, so you're not going to scratch your dishes or anything like that. And I do know that a lot of people tend to cut away the walnut scrubby side and use those to like clean hard surfaces. They work amazing. They also have a coconut scoring sponge that I want to try, but I didn't pick up at this order, but I've heard good things about that one as well. These sponges are bomb. So the next product that I picked up is a multi-surface cleaner from Mrs. Meyer's, and it is in their Acorn Spice scent. I have heard so many people rave about this scent. I absolutely had to get it. I have heard Nietzsche B rave about it. Amanda from This Crazy Life has raved about it, and I had to try it out for myself to see if the hype was real. So I'm gonna go ahead and smell it. This is so weird that I'm gonna smell all these things, because you've been taught as a child not to like sniff cleaners, but because they're natural, it's safe to do it, and I have to see how it smells. Oh my gosh. That smells so good. It does have the like cinnamon spice scent, and it has a little bit of like woodsy type of vibes, which I like because I love woodsy scents, especially around this time of the year. Another item that I had to pick up because I've heard nothing but good things about was the Bubble Up soap dispenser and dish brush set. You don't know how many times I had to say that because my tongue keeps getting twisted. I have heard so many good things about this, so I'm gonna go ahead and take it out of the package so you guys can see what it looks like. So here's what it looks like. You get your little brush with it, and it also has this little spring attachment that just sits kind of in this dish. You put your soap in there and a little bit of water, and when you want to suds up your brush, you just kind of like push on it, and apparently it'll like suds up your brush, and you can go ahead and clean your dishes, which I think is really cool. They also have this for a sponge, which is like a rectangular dish, which I want to try out as well. So the next thing that I picked up was this Mrs. Meyer's dish soap in the scent Apple Cider. I've heard that this is kind of similar to the Acorn Spice, but it's a little bit different. So I wanted to try it out. Another thing that I love about Grove is that they package their products so well. Anything that could spill, they put this little tape over it so you don't have to worry about it. And everything in the box is secured with paper. It has a lot of packing paper, nothing is moving around in there, and you can all recycle it when you're done. This one smells amazing. If you like apple scent or like apple harvest candles, things like that, you're going to love this scent. It smells really, really good. So if you guys have watched any of my cleaning videos, you might have seen me use a glass bottle, which I have my homemade vinegar mix in. Well, this is where I got that bottle from, and I did end up getting another one. This is their glass spray bottle, and I have this one in a teal sleeve. So here's what the spray bottle looks like. It is glass, it's amazing. Like I just said, put my own vinegar mixture in it. I've never had a problem with the nozzle or anything like that. And Grove also has these cleaning concentrates, and I have the orange and rosemary scent, which you can drop in here, add some water, and then you can use it as a multi-surface cleaner. Actually, I think this one is a glass cleaner, which is good. I'm gonna try this out and see how well I like it. So that is everything that I purchased off of Grove Collaborative. I'm gonna go ahead and move on into the things that they so generously gifted me with. I'm so thankful, you guys are awesome. So the first thing that I have is this 8-pack of toilet paper, and with a family of 4, we go through toilet paper all the time. So I'm very happy that I don't have to buy any, because that is one thing I hate buying. I don't know about you guys, but I don't like buying paper towels, paper plates, or toilet paper. Maybe it's just because they all get flushed or thrown in the trash. It irritates me. So I'm very happy that they sent this over to me, because we will definitely use this up. So they also sent me over some of their paper towels, which are 100% sustainable, just like the toilet paper. They are made from bamboo and sugarcane, which I think is awesome. So then they sent me over some of the Method Anti-Bac toilet cleaner, and I have tried this before, and I have to say that I wasn't in love with it. But I was watching one of Amanda's videos, and she said that you're so used to your toilet cleaner smelling like bleach. So at first she said she didn't love it either, because she felt like it wasn't really doing anything because it doesn't have that bleach scent. So I'm happy to try this again and try to, you know, like kind of train my brain into not thinking that it has to smell like bleach, because I think she was onto something when she said that, because most toilet cleansers smell like bleach. So this is in the scent Spearmint, which I think is the only scent that you can get with this product, if I'm not mistaken. I have tried other Method products before in this scent, and I know it does smell really good. So the next thing that they sent me were these all-purpose cleaning wipes from Method, and they are in the scent Pink Grapefruit. I'm not one who loves citrus scented things. Sometimes it's a little much. These aren't too bad. They're not my favorite, but I'm probably gonna take these to work, because I like to clean my desk area and like my phone and my keyboard and stuff like that, especially around this time of the year when germs are at an all-time high. I like to keep these handy at work. So the next thing that they sent me were a box of ultra soft tissues. Again, these are made from bamboo and sugarcane, so just like the paper towels and the toilet paper. And I'm very happy, because we actually don't have any tissues in the home, and both my kids are a little bit stuffy at the moment, so these came right at the perfect time. So the next thing that I have is another dish soap from Mrs. Meyer's. This is in the spiced pumpkin scent. I'm really happy that they sent me this one, because I was actually going back and forth on the website whether I wanted this one or the apple cider scent. So I'm kind of happy that I get to smell both of them. This one is very pumpkin-y. It smells really good. I think I like the apple a little bit better, especially for dishes. The apple is more fresh, but this one's not bad. So I also have a multi-surface cleaner in the same spiced pumpkin scent. I'm gonna smell it, even though I just smelled the dish soap, and I'm sure it smells the same, but we have to try. Yep, smells the same, very pumpkin-y. I don't know, maybe it's a little weird because it's so sweet smelling, but I think I'm gonna have to get used to this scent, especially when it comes to like cleaning products. I like pumpkin scented candles, but maybe it's just weird because I've never smelled like a pumpkin cleaning product before. I don't know. So I also have another hand soap from Mrs. Meyer's. This one is in the apple cider scent. I already know it smells good, but I have to smell it. Oh, that apple is so fresh. Oh my goodness. I'm probably gonna put this in my bathroom and hold off on the autumn fig. Or I should probably use the autumn fig one, because that's not my favorite, and save this one for later. So the next thing that I have is the Method Anti-Bac Bathroom Cleaner in the scent Spearmint. I have used this one before. I don't think I used Spearmint. I want to say that I had eucalyptus, but I'm gonna go ahead and smell it. It is very, very minty, and it does have a little bit more of that like multi-purpose cleaner smell. You know, like that distinctive disinfecting smell. This one has a little bit of that, but you can definitely smell the mintiness as well. So the next thing that they sent me was this little bar of soap, and this is from their own brand, Grove Collaborative, and it is their peppermint bar soap made with organic coconut and olive oil. I can already smell it, and I haven't taken it out of the box. It smells so good. I love the smell of peppermint. My boyfriend doesn't really like it, so he's probably not gonna like when I decide to use this on my body, but it smells really good. So the next thing that they sent over was a little candle, and it is by their Grove Collaborative brand in the scent lavender and bergamot. There's a candle at Bath & Body Works called Bergamot Waters, I'm pretty sure. It is probably my favorite candle aside from Champagne Toast. It's amazing. This is it has a very true lavender scent. If you guys know what I'm talking about, like real lavender, how it has that kind of like, I don't want to say bitter, but it's not super sweet like you would think lavender would smell like. It has that like real, I'm horrible at describing scents. It smells very clean, and it almost has like a menthol scent to it as well. I think this would go good in a bathroom. So the next few products that I have to show you guys are very special because they will be put to the side for my 1K giveaway. I'm super excited. We are so close, so make sure you are subscribed, turn on your notifications, share this video. As soon as my channel reaches 1,000 subscribers, I will be announcing my giveaway and all the rules and stuff like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you a few of the things that will be in that box. So the first two things that I'm going to put aside for the giveaway is the spray bottle and the cleaning concentrate. The next thing that I have is the Bubble Up dish brush set that I just showed you guys. And I also have another set of the walnut and cellulose sponges that I'm also going to put aside towards the giveaway. Those will not be the only things that I will have in the giveaway. I'm probably going to pick up a few things here and there, some of my favorites that I want to share with you guys as well. So if you want a chance to win, make sure you are subscribed and wait for my 1K giveaway video, and I will have all the rules and things like that in that video. So yeah, that is it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you want to see more hauls, if you want to see how I incorporate these products into my cleaning routine, subscribe and stay tuned, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Y'all, you guys don't know how hard it is to be sitting crisscross applesauce with these long legs, okay? My knees are burning.
Soap dispenser and dish brush, we'll rave about was their Bubble Up dish dispenser. Y'all, I can't, okay.